Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So unfortunately, Instagram does not allow you to delete your account from the app. So you need to use a web browser. So you can either use your smartphone or your personal computer. And after you open your browser, you need to go to this link. So I'm going to share this link into the description part below, so you can easily click on it and access this page. And here make sure you are on the right Instagram account before you delete your account. And here just click on this box and select the reason why you want to delete your account. So I'm going to select something else. And here you need to type down your password and then just simply go over this box. It should say delete whatever your Instagram name is. Just simply click on it to delete your account, and let's confirm this pop-up. And as you can see, you have 1 month to reactivate your account, and if you don't log in, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's basically how to delete your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.